How to change flight on Priceline. Priceline is an online travel agency that offers discounted rates on flights, car rentals, and hotels. To change a flight on Priceline, follow these steps. Log into your Priceline account and find your booking under My Trips. Select the flight you want to change and modify. Look for an option like Change Flight or Modify Reservation. Check if your ticket allows changes based on the fare rules. Modify the booking online or call Priceline's customer service at 1-877-477-5807. Pay any fees or fare differences if applicable. Confirm the changes and check your email for the updated itinerary. Priceline helps millions of customers each year be there for the moments that matter to them. Because where your happy place meets your happy price, that place is Priceline. Thanks for watching.